Alright guys, before we get into this video, I just wanted to say that double entries are live. We are giving away this 850 horsepower supercharged Mustang. The giveaway end date is coming up very quickly, April 10th. So definitely get your entries in. We're also doing double entries. So for every $5 you spend, you get 2 entries, not just 1. So we're doubling that just until February 14th. We are also giving away a Ridge wallet. Definitely go down in the description. On the 14th, we will be giving this away to someone who ordered during this period. And like I said, if you win that, you will also still be entered to win the Whipple S550. We're going to be doing other mini giveaways, but make sure you go down there, help support us, help support the channel, get a chance to win an awesome car, and get some cool merchandise. We got this hoodies, hats, t-shirts, everything in stock, so definitely go down there and get entered. Alright guys, so streetcar takeover. We're at the pre-meet at Cletus's Freedom Factory. So we're gonna go inside and check it out. Alright, going into the Freedom Factory. Oh, a little rub, a little scrape.
Why do I not have a YouTube channel? Because I feel awkward.
So, long day of testing.
Yeah, I mean, good for, I had a good day. Andrew.
Not so much. I mean, it's not broken, but it's just slow.
Yeah. Yeah, I think my best pass was, we had the car quite a ways turned down. It was 9.5 at 152, or 144 60 foot. So mile an hour's down. Obviously, we don't have a lot of power in the car, but we were trying to turn it back up and put our back half that we've had before with a front half, really make something out of it. But just needed more time. So
yeah. The car's streetcar-ish. Drove over here. Pretty cool looking truck.
1036.
Cody.
You know what truck this is, right? It's on the car, like the car photo high performance page. You showed me this truck and you're like, this thing's hot.
Yeah, probably.
This thing probably runs 8.
Where's Cody? Cody!
This one?
This is what you need.
What, an on-3 kit? No, he builds this kit.
That's not an on-3 kit, bro.
Alright, I'll holler at you. Him there, insult.
Show me an on-3 kit that comes with comp turbos.
It's true. I can't afford this kit or else I'd have it.
Alright, 21 F-150. Twin turbos coming soon.
21.
Oh. That is wild looking.
Definitely sounds dope. How to ruin a Platy Daddy.
That is wild. So they got this hunk of junk C5 salvage title just stopped over here in the corner.
I know something about salvage title builds.
This, what do you think of this police car right here?
It's like weird because it's like very similar setup.
I just want to know how Cody snapped the tensioner in half, and this man is still running a stock tensioner hitting rev limiter.
Stock unit, dude. Stock ripper. That literally looks like a factory unit from 07 as well.
Yeah. The JLT, he's running a 123 JLT too.
Yeah, I know, 123.
This thing needs at least a 148.
The twin jet? I have no clue. Because
Oh my god! So it's running a GT500 0304 Cobra throttle body for the manual cable. Stock manifolds. This is wild.
Is that what they did? Sure. Dude, just made like a custom bracket.
Yep.
Same throttle cable and everything, dude. Like, this is
It's got a lower on it.
Yeah, 10%.
Can't see what. Oh, there it is. 2.5. 10% lower. I believe it's L&M built motor with some cams. She looks a little beat in person, but I guess that's what it's for.
Because it's like literally a haul. Like it's literally like the same exact setup that's in my car, just a lot motor-wise, long block, Holly, everything. It's
Yeah.
my car's perfect in a race car versus this is a drift car. So I just beat.
I mean, I just surprised there's still a stock tensioner in there.
Yeah.
But you know, we have Chariot's Lightning here. It's actually pretty cool setup. Whipple, Lightning, built motor. It looks awesome. I think it's pretty quick too. If I can find the video of the quarter-mile pass, I'll toss it in here. I think it was just on the dyno, made just under 700 horsepower.
It's awesome.
I built this all myself in the shop. Yeah. The long block was built by Modular Head Shop, but
What is it?
Modular Head Shop.
Okay.
They built the long block, and then I tore it down to the firewall, painted everything, put it all back together.
What did you ran?
10.9.
That's
My first pass so it was a 10.9.
freaking flying. I mean,
It's not bad.
That's awesome.
I didn't take the tonneau cover off. I didn't change the front wheels.
Yeah.
So it was like the subwoofers were in it.
Let it rip.
Yeah.
I love it. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it. What's that? Looks good. It's perfect. It's not. It doesn't seem too crazy. That's all I wanted was like a soft opening.
Yeah.
Just like
Feel it out.
enjoy themselves and
See what works, what doesn't work.
exactly.
Yeah, right? Ooh, she picked up that time.
So very cool Lightning, for sure. Freaking Camaro owners crashing on track.
Somebody post that video.
Oh yeah, that thing's messed up.
What's up, dude?
What up, man?
You make pass?
I'm on camera?
Yep.
I gotta get like my makeup on, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're ready, man. We're gonna see what we do.
Alright, I'll film it.
Alright, cool, brother.
That faceplated trans.